painting silver on the hill. Every drop is dancing, every dream stands still. Old guitar is smiling underneath the tree. Rain is singing freedom like the endless sea. Avocado branches whisper to the breeze. Life is never rushing, moving soft with ease. Boots are full of muddy stories, warm and bright. Every little raindrop turns the dark to light. Smoke is rising slowly from the wooden shed. Grandpa hums a melody that's never dead. Coffee keeps us laughing while the thunder rolls. Nature writes a rhythm deep inside our souls. Green fruits growing heavier with every shower. Simple days are stronger than the tallest tower. No expensive city can replace this sound. Heaven hides in gardens where true peace is found. Oh, rain, rain, bless the avocado land. Love is growing gently, hand in hand. Sing it loud, let the good vibes flow. Roots run deep where the cool winds blow. Oh, rain, rain, never fade away. Wash our worries with a brighter day. One heart, one love, under skies so wide. God and reggae is our endless ride. Every little sparrow joins the easy groove. Leaves are making music every time they move. Children chase the puddles with a fearless smile, turning every rainy road into a joyful mile. Nothing here is perfect, that's the perfect song. Every storm reminds us where we all belong. Hope is growing stronger like the roots below. Every rainy season helps tomorrow grow. Sunlight breaks the clouds with a golden flame. Every drop of rainfall leaves a brand new name. Mountain air is calling every heart back home. No more need for riches, no more need to roam. Take another deep breath, hear the reggae beat. Nature keeps the rhythm steady, calm and sweet. Every avocado tells a living tale. Dreams become much stronger when the skies turn pale. When the evening settles on the emerald trees, dove echoes are floating with the cooling breeze. Stars begin to sparkle through the fading rain. Tomorrow brings another joyful song again. Raise your hands together, let the spirit fly. Every grateful heartbeat reaches to the sky. This is more than music, more than melody. Rain grows every blessing, wild and naturally.